Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all safe at your homes. And my warm welcome to Lakshmi's study room. Today, our learning topic is the difference between light reaction and dark reaction. So, what light reaction and what dark reaction? So, these are the two phases in mechanism of photosynthesis. Already we learned what is photosynthesis. In the presence of the sunlight, all the green plants prepare their own food by using sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, that is the photosynthesis. But we can simply say the photosynthesis, but photosynthesis is a not a easy process. It is a complex process. It involves so many steps. For better understanding, the mechanism of photosynthesis will be divided into two phases. That first phase is called as a light reaction and the second phase is called as a dark reaction. The first phase will be called as a light reaction. Why it will be called as a light reaction? Because it takes place during the presence of the sunlight only. That means during the light reaction, what will happen? The light energy is absorbed and converted into chemical energy. Who will absorb the light energy? Chlorophyll. So whenever the light falls on the leaf, the chlorophyll absorb the photon in the sunlight and it gets activated. So with the help of chlorophyll, by using that energy, the energy will be used to break down the water molecule. So with the help of sunlight, photo means sunlight, the water molecule will be breakdown. The lysis means breakdown. So breakdown of water molecule with the help of photolysis, sunlight, with the help of sunlight. So it will be called as a photolysis. So what's the formula of water? So H2O. So water will be divided into hydrogen ions and as well as hydroxyl ions. So these hydrogen ions undergo so many divisions and it will helps to form the ATP and NADPH. So ATP and NADPH are assimilatory powers. That means these two are assimilatory powers. These can store the energy within them. So during the light phase, light reaction, all these chemical reactions will be undergoes. And the photolysis of water, that means breakdown of water molecules, was discovered by Robert Hill. So hence it will be called as a Hill reaction or also. So next, dark reaction. It was the second phase in mechanism of photosynthesis. It takes place in the absence or presence of the sunlight, but this reaction did not directly dependent on light, but it dependent on the light reaction. The light reaction takes place in the grana thylakoid. The dark reaction takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. And the end products of the light reaction is ATP, NADPH, oxygen. And the end product of the dark reaction is starch. That means the carbohydrates are prepared during dark reaction. The energy was observed during light reaction. And it is a photochemical process. It is a biosynthetic process. That means all the living organisms required food to live. So the food will be provided in the dark reaction. So this is for the difference between light reaction and dark reaction. So in mechanism of photosynthesis, it has a two phase. The first phase will be called as a light reaction and the second phase will be called as a dark reaction. During light reaction, the light energy is absorbed, and dark reaction, it does not dependent on light, but it dependent on light reaction. The light reaction takes place in granathyl of chloroplast, and dark reaction takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. And end products of light reaction is ATP, NADPH, oxygen are the end products. And here the ATP, NADPH and utilized here, and carbon fixation is also takes place here, and photolysis of water will be takes place here. The breakdown of the water molecule will be takes place here. It was discovered by Robert Hill, hence it will be called as a Hill's reaction. And carbon fixation takes place here. Carbon fixation means here the carbohydrates are formed from carbon dioxide. It was discovered by Melvin Kelvin. So it will be called as a Kelvin cycle. So it is a photochemical process and it is a biosynthetic process. So that's all for this video. And thank you for watching this video. Please like my videos and share my videos to your friends, and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.